A woman who was usually negligent in cleanliness visited a customer service center to repair a laptop that had suddenly broken down. Her laptop has a touchscreen function, and the trouble was that the screen changed arbitrarily even though she did not touch it. She explained the laptop's failure symptoms to a repairman and waited. The repair ended faster than expected. The repairman told her, "This laptop is not broken. It's caused by a lot of screen stains." The woman was moved by the repairman's considerate explanation. It was because he expressed it so as not to feel unpleasant to her. If he had said this, how much embarrassment would she have felt? It's a trouble caused by you don't clean the screen often. Why she was moved by the repairman's explanation because, in other words, he expressed cognitive empathy well. Cognitive empathy refers to how well an individual can perceive and understand the emotions of another. Cognitive empathy involves having more complete and accurate knowledge about the contents of another person's mind, including how the person feels. So cognitive empathy is more like a skill. We must not forget that this skill is important for successful relationships.